Did you know that making 1,000,000 bubbles in a glass of water is something many people are incapable of doing? In this video, we shall show you that it doesn't suffice to just pour water into a glass to make tiny, unending bubbles. So, if you want to know how to make tiny and sparkling bubbles like the ones you see here, watch until the end of this video. The secret lies in the angle and velocity with which you pour the water into the glass. While pouring the water at an almost 90-degree angle, make sure to pour the water with a uniform speed that isn't too fast, and ensure that the water is poured onto the same spot throughout the pouring process. Gradually reduce the speed of pouring as the water fills the glass. Now, let's watch as the water behaves while we pour.